Science is the study in which observations are made, experiments are done, and logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principles of nature. Introduction to biology. Biology is the scientific study of life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning thought or reasoning. In the course of biology, we will study how man has thought about living things. To understand and appreciate nature, it is essential to study the structures, functions, and related aspects of living organisms. The study of living organisms also provides information and remedies to human problems regarding health, food, environment, etc. Divisions and branches of biology. There are three major divisions of biology which study the different aspects of the lives of the major groups of organisms. Zoology. This division of biology deals with the study of animals. Botany. This division of biology deals with the study of plants. Microbiology. This division of biology deals with the study of microorganisms such as bacteria, etc. As defined below.